The weather is about to change. I think I have about roughly 30 minutes of footage recording. But I'm already here though. I'm getting so many houses at the moment that I don't even think I'm gonna be able to keep up. But this is yet another house, another Airbnb unit that is newly constructed and up for rent beginning right now. If you wish, you can book it right now. I'm probably the first to ever do this particular house. And well, this is Not.So.Burundian here. I'm gonna be right back after the intro. I don't have that much of sunshine left, so I'm gonna try and make this video as quick and short as possible. See y'all in a bit. It's a pretty little cute house. It's not that small. It's a 3-bedroom house. 1 room self-contained. The other 2 rooms get to share 1 bathroom, and you have a sitting room and all of that. Let me not talk too much. Let's go inside and see the house. I got the keys, and forgive the backpack. I know I look like a little school kid, but I carry all my equipment in here. And besides, I was recording another apartment complex today, and so I wasn't even resting. I had to come to this second house immediately. So let's open up the door. And here comes the big reveal. So this is the house right here. The building, hold on. Let's open up the windows first. Let's crack open this door. As you come into the house, the biggest, you walk into the living room, going into the dining table right there. The living room and the dining table are integrated. Basically, they're all in the same space. An area of about, I don't know, 10 to 15 meters, I guess, square meters. The dining table right here. You've got the dining table right over here. You have a couch space that's about, this is a 7-seater couch. Mirror, hey. Well, yeah, so you got yourself a TV. That's a 40-inch TV, I think. 45 inches, I'm not sure, but most likely. And you have yourself little accent lights over on the roof. Now, on this side over here is where you have the rooms. It's 3 rooms in the building. I'm gonna have to close this bathroom door. And the master bedroom is over on this side. Let me put on the lights. That's the room. You have a bed over there with the stools that accompany the bed, 2 stools, and you have yourself a table over here. The roof and the decor up on the roof. The window, the master bedroom's window looks out into the garden outside. This is a good amount of space actually. If you were to take a look at the room, since it's a newly constructed house, they are looking to install wardrobes pretty soon. By the time you book the building and you get ready to move into it, which is around June, July, the wardrobe will be ready for your clothes. And this is a good amount of space. Personally, I am in love with this house. Number 1 thing that I like about this house is the location. It's located in Gihosha, right near Center Street. If anybody knows the Center Street Church, but we'll talk about that later. This is the bathroom over here. Now in the bathroom, everything's modern. Huge sink, a mirror over there, cases to where you store your stuff, brush and everything. Toilet, the biggest I've ever seen thus far. The arrangement is top notch. Nothing is too close to each other. We know when you're sitting on the toilet, you're not too close to the sink. You're not too close to anything else. You just have your own space right there. This is the most intimate space in the bathroom, and it is in a part of its own. I like that. The placement is awesome. Over to the Right side, you have your, this is the bathtub area. Cold and hot water available for you. Pretty clean. Like I said, the place is newly constructed. This is the biggest bathroom there is so far in the whole house. So that is it for the master bedroom area. Now let's move on to room number 2. The window's open. The window looks out into the backyard. This is the bed. It's not a queen size bed, but it's big enough. This is your space. So 1-person bed. The wardrobes to be installed soon. It'll either go over there or it'll be installed right here next to the corner in this space right here. But it's under works. It'll be done really soon. This is bedroom number 1. The space is pretty good. The decor is the same, just like the one in the master bedroom. Now let's go check up room number 2. This is the bathroom that these 2 rooms share, but we're not going to check it out yet. Let's first check out this second room right here. Let me put on the lights. This is the second bedroom right here. The bed is the same size as the one in the second room that we just checked out. Pretty much the same amount of space. This room is slightly bigger, I believe. It looks bigger. And I guess in this room, the wardrobe will go right over there to be installed soon. I almost forgot about this bathroom right here. Nearly forgot the bathroom. So this is the bathroom that is commonly shared among the 2 bedrooms. Pretty big. And most importantly, as most of you would wish, is a washing machine. So this is a washing machine here. It's a washer and a dryer in one. The capacity is, I don't know. I don't really use washing machines, but yeah, just know that you have a washing machine right there and your towel storage right up here. So that's the bathroom for you. If you were to get this house right now, you would be the first to move in, clean, everything's lit. During the day, there are no spots in this house that stay dark at all, at any time. Now, let's go check out the kitchen. It's the biggest reveal that people are into, the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen right here. Fully installed, there's nothing missing. You got yourself a fridge, you have a microwave, you have a cooker. Is it electric or gas? Oh, it's an electric stove. It's electric. These are the cabinets up here. The biggest I've ever seen thus far. In all the houses that I've checked out, these cabinets are really huge, almost double. These are the cabinets up here. So many of them actually. And you have other cabinets down here in there and slide drawers where you get to store your stuff, pans, pots, knives, and all of that. And you have yourself a fridge with, hold on, let's open this up. There you go. That's a freezing area with your ice tray, with an ice tray. Oh, geez, I don't speak English that much these days. And the rest of the space right in here. Pretty big fridge, no complaints on that. And this is the kitchen area. It's a pretty big kitchen. No, it's actually, this kitchen area is huge. Compared to other houses, this I can rock with. Ladies, you tell me. And that pretty much makes up the whole house. You have a garden outside. The garden is exceptionally big. Now, this is not a small garden. You can gather a large amount of people here. You can gather about 50 to 60 people on a given night or a given weekend. You can set up your tents if it's a party, a birthday party or whatever, but the garden is pretty big. You can also extend the sitting all the way up to the driveway. That can work too. So that's pretty much it for the house. Let's check out this side over here. You have your clothes hanger. The sun at noon, the sun all the way to 3 p.m. and the sun from morning hits this particular spot right here all throughout the day, so your clothes get to dry. And in the back area over here, you have a bathroom / toilet for the workers. You have what do I call this? Would this be a balcony that opens up to the back, where the kitchen, this area opens up from the kitchen. This is the kitchen space right here. So if you're going outside into the backyard, you have this space right here. This would be where the worker would iron your clothes and everything. The iron hanger and the clothes ironing board is to be placed right there. And then if we head over to the back area, you have yourself a little room on this side right here. Your worker gets to sleep in here. It's a one-person space, so they don't have to come from far to come do your cooking and your cleaning. No, they stay right here with you in the building. And that pretty much makes up the whole house. You've got barbed wire on the fences for protection against petty theft or whatever, but that is not an issue when it comes to Gihosha. Like, that's just a formality of some sort. So that's pretty much it for the house. We toured almost every corner of the house. This has got to be my favorite small house so far in Bujumbura. And the location is in Gihosha. Gihosha is not that far from the city. On the west side over there is where the Congo Mountains are and Lake Tanganyika. So the church, Saint-Esprit, is right there, not that far. So it's Saint-Esprit, then Kigobe on that side, and then going to the city should take you about, it's a 7 to 10 minute drive if you take the main highway, the 28 November highway. So I'm gonna leave the Airbnb link in the description, the contacts, and all of the information that you need, like the prices and everything, in the description. So make sure to check out the description box after this video, because I don't have the information right now. Other than that, that's pretty much it. This is Not.So.Burundian here. Thank you for watching. I'm out.